Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on your Xbox application using your mobile device. If you are looking to enjoy your Xbox gaming sessions without interruptions or unwanted invites, appearing offline is a great way to maintain your privacy. First, launch open the Xbox application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Microsoft account's credentials. After you're in the home page of Xbox, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Here you will be able to see your profile name, your posts, achievements, and your About section. At the top, look for the Appear Offline button. If you are currently online, you will see Appear Offline, simply tap on that. Soon after you do that, you can appear offline on Xbox immediately. This will hide your online status across all devices linked to your account. By following these steps, you can now enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions on your Xbox, free from unsolicited invites and notifications. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.